Hello and welcome back to the Little Scale Cars YouTube channel. Today we have something a little bit different. As you can see, we have a case in the review box, which means we are going to be unboxing this. This is the Hot Wheels Car Culture Spettacolare, or Spettacolare, however it's pronounced. And we're going to go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. So first things first, we've got the Lancia Stratus, looking good. We'll go ahead and take these out of the package once we've got everything out of the box, and we'll look at them that way a little closer. Next up, we've got the old school Lamborghini Countach. Looking great. We have the Alfa Romeo Giulia, probably the least exciting of the set in my opinion. Boom, we've got the fantastic Alfa Romeo 155. Second release of this one because the Team Transport has not come out yet. And I've already seen it, but bam, there we do have the chase. This is actually the first car culture chase that I've ever found. And I ordered a full case and got lucky enough to get it. So it's the first one I've ever even seen or held in person, except for, like, you know, at diecast shows or something where scalpers got it trying to sell it. But we will take a closer look at these out of the packaging now. All right, let's go ahead and look at these cars close up. This is the Alfa Romeo. Not gonna give any opinions or anything just because this is an unboxing, but just get a little look-see before we do any kind of review or showcase, or before they end up on my Instagram page, where I always give my initial thoughts and stuff like that. There's the Stratus. The other Alfa Romeo coming in now. Second release for this casting. There will be a third one coming very soon though. And here we've got the classic Countach. The second release of this casting, but the third version since there was a chase version. And finally, we have the new casting, the new Lamborghini Countach. And we're going to push this back ever so slightly. We do have the chase, which just looks so stealthy. Whoops, there was an opinion. But yes, all of these will end up on my Instagram page first, and then they will come to YouTube in the form of either reviews for the new models or the new castings, or like recolor showcases for the other four. Probably do a, well, I don't know. Well, we'll either put the chase in with the standard Countach, or we'll make its own video, just kind of a quick little showcase of the chase model. Let me know down below what you would like to see with that, either a whole video or just tack it into the Countach's review, whatever it is, but we'll take a closer look at it one way or the other. Alrighty guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and leave a like. Comment down below what your thoughts are on these particular models, and subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next video.